Set up a template for your regular operating expenses or loans using the Recurring Payables mode in Purchases. For a regular operating expense, just select the next time it's due to get it started and who it's payable to. Choose how often it happens, the total number of payments, and the number that's remaining going forward. If it's an ongoing payment, you can just leave these two fields blank. Choose the account that you want these payments to post to. If you have a loan that you want to set up a payment template for, get started with the next time it's due and who it's payable to. Same thing here. Choose how often the payment is made, the total number of payments, and the number of payments due going forward. This time, mark the loan checkbox. This lets you fill out the loan specs like the principal, APR, and the payment amount. Choose the right interest expense account and the principal liability account. Click the Schedule button to generate the amortization schedule automatically or fill it out by hand. You can also put this into edit mode and make changes in the future if you need to. Use the Purchases Payments wizard in the Settlement program to convert your recurring payable templates to AP invoices or manual operating checks. Choose the recurring payables you want to create vouchers for, and that's it. If you create vendor invoices, you can find them in the Purchases program and they'll be ready for settling as usual. If you create operating checks, they'll be waiting for you in the Checks program in the processing queue. The next time you step through the Settlement wizard, you'll see your recurring payables updated with their next due date. That's it for this month's tips. Search for recurring payables in the knowledge base for detailed steps and information.